Hey guys, zpolt here and I'm back for another video, and we are in the wide angle now. We're back to wide angle because we're gonna unbox a bigger thing right now. This is the Razer base station Chroma. So you guys know I am a big headphone fan. I'm an audio geek and I'm also a gamer. This kind of fits both sides because this is a headphone stand that I can use for some of my headphones and also maybe some of my gaming headphones. And it's also in Chroma. I do have some Razer products here. I would say I am a fan of Razer stuff in general. They're not the best built. I do like that they are, bold in terms of their designs. So it's around $60, but still also has some 4-port USB hub. First, we're gonna take the unboxing scissors. And actually, in terms of the box, it's all black. Razer base station Chroma. And actually, not a lot of photos, so it's a mystery what this is gonna look like. Opening it up. Razer has arguably, usually the best unboxing experience. And now we have the base station and, with all that Razer glory. We're gonna take a look at the base station later. Let's take a look at what you get first in this part. So this part is, okay, your USB and not a lot in the box. So, small things. They still even put a box just for the cord. So foam. Alright, so this is what I like about unboxing experiences in general, how they really design their unboxing. You have the base station itself, Razer logo, and of course, there you go. That is really nice. Razer logo and also matte finish. Kind of zoom in, it's really matte finish inside. Quite weighty, definitely for heavier headphones. This is a good sign that it will support the weight of your heavier headphones. So you do have the 3-port USB hub, which is something I really need because I do have a lot of peripherals. So all of my kind of wireless stuff will go in here. Wireless mouse, also wireless keyboard, and also the wireless headphone that I have, the gaming headphone that I have, which is the Razer Manoir. So actually it's a two-piece thing here, so I did not expect that. I thought it was a one full piece. In terms of the cable, it's a braided typical Razer cable, and it's a very nice feeling cable. So USB, you even have a case and with the Razer green at the top. So recently Razer is improving their design, in my opinion, because usually all matte black, which is something I like, because sometimes the Razer green is too much for me. I do like, kind of a more understated design, and their current designs are really good for me. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I really like Razer. It's because of their design. I do appreciate, good design. So on the other side, you have, of course, the base station, and this is actually made of plastic. So plastic also with the base station. It's a bit weighty, but it's made of plastic. This is also made of plastic. At the top, you do have this lip, which will hold your headphones, but it doesn't have actually a lip at the other side. So you just have a lip at the front side. So in terms of the overall width, I'm gonna test this with my other headphones later, but it is pretty thick for me. Yeah, the Razer Manoir might fit well in this, but maybe some of my headphones it will be a bit small, but we're gonna see later. Of course, Razer stickers, the Chroma stickers. Headset stand is designed for one-time assembly only. Attempting to disassemble may result in damage, so that's something for you guys to remember. And unfortunately, even if I already have some devices that broke down on me, that's Razer, I do like their design. So we're gonna assemble it now. So it's designed for one-time use, and yeah, I really like the design here. So it clicks in place. So this is what it's gonna look like. Look at that. I do like that, kind of industrial, flat, minimalist, kind of design, which is something I really like. So in terms of stability on the table, it's very stable. It has some rubber feet, and actually the whole bottom is made of rubber feet. Whole bottom is made of rubber feet, which is something we like. Base station Chroma also at the bottom, and it's very stable. So I'm gonna test it first with my Razer Manoir. Alright, so this is my Razer Manoir. Actually, for headphones, This is already in the thick side in terms of you know, the overall top side of the Razer. This is already in the thick side. If it fits on this, I think it will fit my other headphones. Yo, actually, yeah, I mean, you don't really need to go in the lips. It kind of fits. It's not that bad if you look at that. So it's a bit overlapping the lip, but it's a bit stable. So actually, the design is not really to put the headphone before the lip, so actually on the lip. So this is how it's gonna look like. So that is how it's gonna look like, of course. That is a looker. That is a looker for me. Oh, okay. For headphone fans, why do I have the Razer Manowar? Because I do like everything Razer. It's not the best sounding one, but I do like the imaging in the Razer Manowar Chroma. So for gaming, and also it's wireless, so I do like that. Let's test it out in the PC and check out the Chroma patterns. So this is already lighting up. So I think you can see it on screen, but it's a bit bright here. Alright, so there you go. So you might not be able to see me, but you will see the Razer Chroma. So this is how it's gonna look like. In terms of brightness, it's not super duper bright, in my opinion. I do want it to be brighter. It's visible, but it's kind of a subtle kind of thing. Actually, it's a bit brighter than my Razer mousepad Chroma. So actually, yeah, I kind of am okay with this one. So yeah, this is how the Chroma is gonna look like. Of course, you can customize this in Razer Synapse. Alrighty, so let's wrap this thing up. So for the Razer base station Chroma, I do like the overall design. I do like, you know, a kind of a minimalist design with the Razer Chroma, and the lights is okay. Of course, the overall build quality, I would say, is left to be desired. I do, you know, expect a more kind of all metal design. I did kind of expect that, to be honest, but we have an all plastic design. Is it a major issue? Not really. You know, this is something that's gonna just stay on your desk, so it's not something you're gonna bring out. So it won't really, you know, take a beating. So plastic is not a big issue for me. My other headphone stands are also plastic. Chroma is bright enough, in my opinion. The size of the top is big enough, in my opinion. I'm pretty sure it will fit my other headphones. It also has a nice touch that this has, you know, a USB port at the bottom. So do I think it's worth it? If actually this is around $40, this will be, I would say, a better price, but definitely you're paying a premium for that kind of branding and that Chroma thing that's going on at the bottom. So you know, 40 is something that I will definitely comfortably pay for this, but for 60 I'm kind of still fine with it because of the overall look. So if you're in kind of the Razer-esque kind of design, and if you have other Razers with you, this kind of a worth it buy. If this is gonna be your first Razer, I wouldn't really go for this. It won't be that worth it for you because you're not still in the ecosystem. So definitely these are for people who likes Razer and for those who has other Razer peripherals. Otherwise, you should look in other devices. So that is kind of my unboxing and you know, short review of this one. Let me know if you have additional questions on the Chroma down in the comments below. Of course, if you want to get one, use my links below. It will help out the channel a lot. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.